System Fire Dispatch. How can I help you?
Yeah, we have somebody who must be high. I don't know. He's driving a light blue car headed towards the reservation line going into water flow.
Okay.
He has a gun. He almost hit us at the Shiprock gas station, and he pulled a gun on us because he was like,
okay.
I don't know, like asking what was up and like got so irate. He almost hit us driving erratic. It's an older model Toyota.
Okay.
Toyota Corolla, no tinted windows.
The suspect fled in a stolen blue Toyota Corolla. Shiprock police located the suspect vehicle and began a pursuit that traveled through a residential farming area and then continued eastbound on US Highway 64. As the pursuit began to approach the Navajo Nation border, San Juan County Sheriff's Office deputies, in full uniform and in marked Sheriff's Office vehicles, intercepted the vehicle and successfully deployed stop sticks.
Driver, get out of the vehicle! Driver, get out of the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle! Driver, get out of the vehicle!
The suspect vehicle continued to travel eastbound on US 64 for approximately 1.4 miles, where he momentarily stops 2 different times.
125 I believe I got driver's tires. Eastbound and oncoming traffic. Driver, get out of the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle!
Beginning to flee again, the suspect proceeds to do a U-turn. Deputies observe Thomas point a firearm out the window as he begins to travel back west on US 64.
126, he just flashed a gun at me.
The vehicle travels approximately 1/3 of a mile before stopping in the median and exiting the vehicle. Deputies observe Thomas reaching in his waistband before entering the vehicle again. It was at this time a deputy approaches the rear of the vehicle. The deputy observes a firearm in Thomas's hand, pointed in the direction of his sergeant, and responds to the threat by firing at the subject. Another angle from our sergeant's body camera shows Thomas's movement inside the vehicle before shots are fired.
Show your hands! Show your hands! No! Hey, show your hands! One, 206, shots fired, shots fired. I saw he had a gun. Hey, hey! Pull up!
Deputies pull Thomas from the vehicle and begin to check his wounds to render aid.
Get the gun in the middle console. Middle console.
It's going to be in the center console. Let me secure their weapon. No.
There's a fire.
We got a fire. Let's get him farther out. Hey, Sarge, can you get fire coming? It looks like the car's on fire.
While all attempts were made to extinguish the fire, the vehicle became fully engulfed, destroying evidence.